Today, I'll introduce a hostile product of a company, Model 500AF Smart Aroma Diffuser. It uses PP material, corrosion resistant and falling resistant. Acrylic panel, customized private logo, label, different color. Our products use true flue atomization technology, 1 second to spray fog and fill the house with fragrance. It covers 300 to 500 cubic meters space, like hotel, office building, room, etc. There are manual and Wi-Fi controls to choose. LCD screen, easy to operate. Wi-Fi model, remote control via mobile app. Turbo fan to speed up diffusion in need. It can be put on desktop, wall mounted, or connected to HVAC. The connector can also be used as silencer. 200 milliliters oil capacity, 1 to 2 months to refill oil, 3 colors to choose. This is our design team, our special designers to track and customize everything to be satisfied. We have been specialized in scent machines for many years, offer OEM and ODM service. Of course, there will be discount for wholesale buyers. Contact us for better service. This is our showroom. There are various space covering diffusers for your choice. These are various patents and certifications we got. Enough inventory to guarantee delivery time. Highly qualified manufacturer. Trust us and work with us. Thank you so much.